Hey Munchies, it's Alyssia, and wow, it has been a while. I hope you are so well. If you have been a part of the Mind Over Munch community over the years, I want to start by saying thank you. Truly. It means a lot that you're even watching this, and I have missed you. I'm so glad you're here, and I am glad to be here. So where did I go? A little over a year ago, I stepped away. After a decade of building Mind Over Munch and going to grad school, I started a real job and I hit a point of total burnout. We had to move out of our house. I've been living like a nomad the last 2 years. I'm currently finding a more permanent residence, but needless to say, I couldn't keep up with the pace. I couldn't keep the team going while juggling everything, and it all kind of came to a halt more quickly than I expected. And what I didn't know then was that stepping away was what I really needed to reconnect, to come home to myself. Some of you may have noticed in my videos over recent years, my relationship with food had been evolving. And as that healing deepened, my content naturally began to shift too. I have changed a lot over the last 10 years. Have you changed a lot over the last 10 years? So during my time diving deep into myself, I became very connected to mindfulness. And some of you might remember I used to talk about it in some of my videos. Over the last 7 to 8 years, it has become a core value in how I live my life. And it has brought me a lot of peace in ways I never thought possible. I spent the last few years teaching mindfulness through meditation and through coaching and leading transformational healing workshops. And where my heart was called was helping people transform not just how they eat, but how they relate to themselves and how they live their lives. And so now I want to do that on a bigger scale. And I decided once I get settled in my new place, I want to come back to content. So this video is really here for a couple of reasons. One, to officially say I am back very soon, but there will be a new direction. I will be posting content more regularly again, but the focus is shifting from food alone to mindfulness, healing, self-trust, personal growth. The food content that's already here on the channel will stay. I might even get an occasional food video out here or there. I've still been actually sharing food in my newsletter, just not on YouTube. But this next chapter is going to be very different. And I am so excited you're here, and I hope you want to come along for the ride. And that's why I want to share the second reason for this video. I want to invite you to kick this thing off with me. I wanted to host something, an event, to thank all of you for your support over the years and to get you excited for this next project. So I am going to be offering a free live workshop called The Space Between Bites, Mindfulness and Food Freedom. And it's meaningful to me because this is where the journey really began. Mindfulness was the bridge that helped me heal my own relationship with food. And now this workshop, it's like it can be a bridge for you in this community between what Mind Over Munch has been with food and what's coming with the next evolution of this brand as my name, Alyssia Sheikh, with a focus on mindfulness and personal growth. So many of you still comment or email me sharing your experiences, talking about the anxiety that you feel around food or the guilt that shows up after eating certain things, the confusion that can linger even after reading all the books or knowing all the rules. And this workshop is, my hope, a space for relief and a space to shift the way that you're relating to food. So we will explore the root of that struggle, not just from the outside in, but from the inside out. And you're gonna learn how we develop shame with food, how we moralize it, how mindfulness can help build self-trust in the decisions that you make with your food and with your health. And I will guide you through a simple but powerful mindful eating practice that will reconnect you to your body and your own inner wisdom. You'll actually need to bring some raisins with you, 4 raisins on a plate. And if you don't like raisins, that is okay. The point isn't to like them. You will benefit anyway. Please join. And it's totally free. Okay, this is a gift to you, a thank you. It's a beginning. I want to invite you to be excited about what's next and get a sense of it. And if you've ever struggled with food or felt like something deeper was at play, I hope you'll come. The link to sign up is in the description below. Just click and save your spot, and I will follow up with details of what you'll need over email. So there's more coming soon, including a new podcast launching very, very soon, couple of weeks, new content, new ways to grow together. But really, thank you so much for being here. I am so grateful to walk into this next chapter with you. Thank you.